Welcome to FM Dojo. In this video, I will show you how to get some data out of FileMaker. In this case, we're going to be getting a script and put it into FM Dojo and make some changes. So let's go to FileMaker, and I have a script here. I'm going to select it, copy it. Actually, I did it backwards. Let's do it the right way. It doesn't really matter. I copied that. I'm going to paste my snippet in here. Doesn't really matter which way you go, honestly. And then I'm going to convert it. And voila, here's my text in here. So if I want to put some spaces in between, I can do that. If I want to take a look at this with AI and say, you know what, let's take a look at this script. Take a look at my script and help me make it faster. Let's see if it can. All right, we got a response. So let's see what that is. Let's see if we can make it a little wider so we can read this. Here are the biggest Bedouins. Okay. Well, that's a placeholder because we don't have the custom function in this database. Don't do heavy work in our open. Better patterns, remove redundant, expensive font sets, blah, 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 blah. I am not going to read this, but you guys should. We have buttons in here where it can help me with replacing certain elements of the script, or I can just say, can you just rewrite this script for me so I can paste it back into FileMaker. Let's put a question mark there too, and let's see what it says. While we do this and wait for that, let me show you another cool feature. Since some of you are used to working in VS Code or other visual, code editors for web work, you may have a different type of theme that you're used to. So I put in a couple of themes in here, so you can just switch from here, see which one you like, and work, in that one. As it is absolutely a minimum nowadays, you have also light mode, so everything works in light mode. If you see something that's not readable, please do tell me. I also try to make sure that I pay attention to older folks in our community, or how do we say that so I don't offend any one of us, although at this point I am not a youngster either. Well aged like cheese. How about that? But we do have options to make sure that we can, read everything properly. Even this code you can split, and then you can easily compare two different scripts. All right, let's see. So it rewrote the entire script as much as it could, and let's see if I can just put it in here. Voila, there it is. It even gave me a nice header. Look at that. I am not gonna go and check if this is perfectly correct. It could be, it could have issues. That's up to every one of us to go and make sure that things are done properly. And when I'm done with this, at the end, I can just say I want to put it back. So now I have another button that tells you that you can actually copy this as an XML and then XML code, and you can go back to FileMaker and just delete this, and if all goes well, paste it in here. There you go. So some of the elements will have to still be paid attention to, especially if I'm playing with a database that doesn't have any of the layouts that I'm playing in this script with. So that's why we have some, red elements. I don't have any layouts except for the one that I'm looking at. Hopefully this helps. I will see you guys in the next video.